Hello, this tutorial guides the users on how they can use an existing layout. You first need to log in to centryx.cremsentplayer.com. Click on the Creative menu option and then the Layout submenu option. This will take you to the list of currently available layout in your account. Identify the layout that you wish to use as a reference. Click on the Copy Add icon next to the layout you identified. When copying the layout, specify a new name for the copy of layout that will be created for you. Then from the list of layouts, click the Edit Design icon next to the layout that was created. This will open your new layout in the Layout Designer. Notice the widget list on the right side. Identify the video that you want to change. Click the Replace icon next to the widget whose video you would like to change. This will take the widget into Replace mode. While in the Replace mode, you can drag any video from the repository to the Video Replace section. When done, click the Close button. Images and PDF content can also be replaced using the similar steps. The changes you made on the Layout Designer canvas are visible on the preview as well. Once you are done with your changes, publish your layout and make it available to be scheduled.